Hi everyone, welcome to my April
Hey, just kidding. This is actually the May Project Pan update.
Project Pan update. So first of all, lipstick swatch. I'm not bleeding. You may see some residual ones over here. Second, lovely assistant. Is very mouthy right now and does not want to settle down. So I just decided to let him join me. For those of you who don't know, Project Pan is a challenge that makeup lovers do, where we're either trying to use up a makeup product or we're trying to hit the metal pans at the bottom of the powder products that are packed very tightly into these pans, and sometimes cream products as well. Oh, this is my life. Can you hear him? He's purring very loudly. This year I'm trying to pan 3 products. One I kind of had already hit pan on, but I'm hoping to use it up. But at the very least, I'm gonna have the pan get as big as I possibly can. But let's start with my eyeshadow palette. This year I decided to do an LA Colors palette in the day to night line called After Dark. It's a cool toned palette. One of them broke from the very get-go. I tried to save it, but there was no saving it. I weighed it, no change in weight. I have used this quite a lot. And we finally hit pan in the white one. You can see just how pathetic that purple one broke. And then last month we hit that silver pan, which really surprised me because I use the white way more. And as you can see, the white pan is way bigger because I've continued to use it. It's one of those two are kind of the only two like neutral colors that I feel comfortable like setting my lids with and then doing a look from there. However, I'm gonna have to do something. And I want to give a quick shout out to a smaller channel called the Artup that's just starting up. I absolutely adore them. And they had the very like simple and yet profound suggestion that you just find something to pair it with for the ones that you're hesitant to use or aren't using so much. That's what I did today. I took a blue and I just actually put some of the highlighter from my other Project Pan product over top. You can barely tell that it's blue, but there's blue setting the lids and then the highlighter on top. And I've got so many glitters and shimmers and stuff that I could just put over top of it. I think that'll even work for the darkest colors in here. Although the black one is lower than I thought it would be, and I'm trying to really focus my attention on because there's technically kind of 4 blues in here. 2 are more teal and 2 are more like actual blue, so I'm trying to focus all my efforts on one to try to really get down to that pan and then maybe focus on another one. But these darker colors are concerning me. I think I'm at least gonna hit the black, but I've got to change the way that I'm using these, so thank you Artup for that little tidbit. And it's working so far. So I'll keep working on this. And then this is the product that I use the highlighter for over top of the other eyeshadow. This is a little e.l.f. duo, I call it a duo blush, but it's a blush and a highlighter. The color is called Guava. Not hit pan in these yet, but, and I've reported the other months as well. I feel like I can see the pan in this one. I'm sure you won't be able to tell. You can kind of see the shadow there. You can see the dip in this over here. Sorry about my nails. That's just how I am. The highlighter broke and I repressed it. There's a video about how I did so. I think if I start to use it over top of the other eyeshadows, I'll be able to hit pan a lot quicker in this one. I still have the nail polish trick too that I have a video about. So that's another way that I, end up using up colors that I just don't know what to do with. Definitely progress on here, and I like this blush a whole lot, but hasn't quite hit pan yet in either one. And then the last one is by Basic Beauty. It's a little blush called It's October 3rd. Obligatory meme. It's gonna have to be in every video until this is used up. Quite a lot more pan in this one, isn't there? So definitely a bigger hole, and you can see what I mean by pan there. There's quite a bit still stuck on the outer edges. no change in weight. I think this has actually gone below the kind of weight that it can even pick up my scale, and yet I still insist on trying. I may try to scratch it out towards the middle a little bit more because this is a cream, so it would pack a little easier. So we'll see what I want to do with that. I kind of don't want to mess up the pan that I do have, though. I forgot to mention that this one did weigh a little less. It has been consistently 20 grams. It kept, I do check the scale every time with these little set weights to make sure that it's as accurate as possible. It kept going to 18, but then once in a while it would just kind of fall back up to 20. I don't, or fall ahead up to 20, I don't know. I think it's possible that it's like somewhere between 18 and 20, but it's definitely a little bit lower. So this product is definitely being used up, even though we can't see the pan yet. I think that's it. Today on my face, I actually have, like I said, both of these products. Actually, I have the third blush on here too. And then I got the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation to try, and that's what's on my face today. I have the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. And on my lip, there's a Milani Fetish Matte, I think they're called. All these products will be below. If you click on the Amazon links, as of right now, if you click on them and then buy anything from Amazon, I apparently get some kind of commission from it at some point, like a very small one. It hasn't worked so far, but that's supposed to be how it works. So I don't know, if you could do that, that would help. You don't have to buy anything in the links, just buy something. After clicking on the link. So anyway, that's on my face. That's the deal with my project pan. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next month. We have 3 videos a week, but if this is all you're interested in, thanks for watching to the end, and we'll see you next month. Oh, you smell like... Did you just fart on me? You look awfully proud of yourself. Did you just fart on me? You better get down. Oh, great. Thanks, buddy. Thank you so much. Yeah, you're welcome. Honey, you need to lay down, especially if you're gonna stink me out. I still smell cat fart. And what else was I gonna say? Meow? Oh my goodness, he is cranky but playful. What else was I gonna say? I don't remember. I'll put it below. Let me do it. Because I did a couple videos today. It really smells like shit over here. Meow. Bye.